For the 1 mile run walk, the equipment needed is the same. We need proper running attire, a 400-meter track, a heart rate monitor if it's available, a pen and paper to take down our data. We need a stopwatch, and we also need a scale in order to take the body weight of our individual. In my case, it was 95 kilograms or 209 pounds. The heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute, and we take our heart rate at the end of the exercise from the carotid or the radial. The jogging test, which is appropriate for individuals up to 29 years of age, we establish a pace with a 2 to 3 minute warm-up. Then we jog our mile at a comfortable pace without stopping. This is not a maximal test. So for men, it should take a minimum of 8 minutes. For women, it should take a minimum of 9 minutes. As well as our heart rate should not reach the 180 beats per minute. Now, at the end of the run, immediately after, we're going to take our heart rate by taking the number of beats that we get within 15 seconds and multiply it by 4, again at the carotid or at the radial. We enter our information into our equation here, converting our body weight from pounds to kilograms by dividing pounds by 2.2, and we convert our time to a decimal. So take your leftover seconds, divide that by 60, and that'll give you your decimal for your time. For example, 30 seconds divided by 60 will be 0.5 seconds added onto the minutes. For our walking test, we'll have a 5 to 10 minute warm-up. This is appropriate for our older individuals from 20 to 69, for both men and women. It's great for our sedentary population and our older population, or individuals that aren't used to running at a comfortable pace. Again, this is a sub-maximal test, so it should be between 8 and 9 minutes long. We're going to take our body weight and use pounds. We're going to take our age in years, our gender, we're going to enter 1 for men or 0 for females. Take our time and again convert it to a decimal, and take our heart rate and convert it to beats per minute. Don't forget to include the units in the equation with our answer. For example, my information, we have our 93 kilograms, our 8.0 minutes, because it was 8 minutes flat. We have 1 for our male, and then our beats per minute converted into beats per minute. After everything, we have our VO2 at 47.09, which categorizes us in the excellent category. For our walking test, we do the same thing. We have our body weight in pounds, we have our age, we have our gender, 1 for male, we have our time, and then we also have our heart rate in beats per minute. After all of our calculations, it shows a VO2 max of 46.58 or 458, which actually categorizes us in the upper level of good, borderline between good and excellent. This is the conclusion to our analysis. Thank you very much.